If you've found that your gut health has changed as you've approached your menopause transition, then I'm not surprised. In Western countries, irritable bowel syndrome is 4 times more common in females as they reach their 50s. And with 58% of women on the MyMT Symptoms Quiz indicating that they have gut health or digestion issues, despite HRT in many cases, this was my catalyst for creating a menopause gut health module. This can be purchased standalone, or it's also included in the Transform Me and Circuit Breaker programs. One of the main effects estrogen has in our body is to support our digestive health. This is how our gut differs from men. In our monthly cycle, estrogen was cycling up and down, and this meant that the higher levels of estrogen helped our gut enzymes to work more efficiently. But here's the thing. Only since 2015 have researchers begun to understand that estrogen has a role in helping the gut epithelium or lining to turn over cells regularly. When we move from perimenopause into menopause, the time of our life when our estrogen levels decline, the production of these gut enzymes is reduced. There's also something else impacting our gut health too. We are the first generation of women to come into menopause having experienced so many changes to our food environment, as well as having had exposure to antibiotics and environmental substances. The gut microbiome is one of the largest organs in the body, and incredible research now shows that the state of our gut health has an impact on depression, anxiety, weight gain, energy levels, insomnia, and hot flushes. So if you are someone who is experiencing any of these symptoms and you have irritable bowel syndrome, diverticulitis, bloating, and irritability, then it's really important for you to turn this around. I'm Dr Wendy Sweet from New Zealand, and I'm a women's healthy aging researcher and founder of My Menopause Transformation. Undertaking my doctoral studies on women's healthy aging allowed me to position our menopause symptoms in the science of our biological aging. I've spent thousands of hours understanding how to turn around our gut health during menopause and postmenopause using lifestyle changes. I've put that science into a standalone, powerful module called Restore Your Grateful Gut. You can purchase this program on its own, or when you join me on either of my Transform Me or Circuit Breaker programs. Sort out your gut health and see the difference in your energy levels. When we have leaky gut, essential nutrients leak through the cracks, making it harder to get through our day. The results are powerful. As Wendy from Australia says, turning around her gut health helped her to lose 7 kilos, eliminate her allergies, and get back to doing what she loved, snorkeling on the Great Barrier Reef. It will be my privilege to help you feel like your old self again, and I can't wait for you to join me.